Today I'm showing you how to install a Windows VM on Proxmox. First of all, you have to open up your dashboard, click on local on the left side, go to ISO images and click on upload, select your ISO file and begin to upload the file. After uploading the ISO file, you can just click on create VM, make sure you choose the right node, give it a VM ID and give it a name. Then choose the just uploaded file on the ISO images, make sure to change it from Linux to Microsoft Windows. You have here the options to add a driver, but we do it later on. For the EFI storage, just use your storage that you want to. In that case I have just a local one as well as the TPM storage. On the disks I will expand the drive to 128 gigabytes for this test VM. I for myself like to have 4 cores but 1 socket on the Windows machine. 4 gigabytes of RAM for this test scenario is more than enough, and basically confirm the settings that you just set. The VM is then deployed. You can see it at the down tasks or on the left side with the name you just created. Then click on console. You can start the machine right ahead. It will take a few moments. Press any key to boot from the ISO image. Choose your language or a keyboard. In my case I have a German keyboard layout. Click on next, install now. I for myself use a standard edition with the desktop experience for just the UI. Accept the agreements, click on optional, choose your just created device. The installation will take a couple of minutes and the server will reboot a couple of times. After successful installation you can type in your password for the local administrator. For overall better performance of the VM, I recommend you to install the drivers from Proxmox. You can just upload the ISO file as we've done it before. The ISO file can be found in the Proxmox wiki, as you can see here. Just scroll down to the installation and use this link that I've just shown you. Upload the ISO file as before. After that we can go back to the VM, click on hardware, click on add CD or DVD drive. Choose the right storage and the ISO image that you just uploaded. For the DVD drive to be mounted you have to reboot the VM again, not reset. Reset will just turn off the VM and turn it on again. A reboot will be fine. The VM is then being started again. You can now click on the VNC, log into your Windows machine, wait for the server manager to be fully loaded, go to Explorer icon, and now you can see on the left side the just added ISO file. Click on x46 installation, the normalized next finish. You can just leave it as it is. And now the drivers are being installed. This will normally take just 2 minutes or so. Now I recommend you to shut down the VM. After the VM is being shut down, go to options, select on boot order, deselect the ISO driver image and also the ISO installation image. And now you can pretty much go ahead, use your VM, install whatever you want to. In my case this is going to be a domain controller. That's the reason why I called it DC01. It's going to be a test environment for my home lab, and there you have it. The Windows VM is installed. Thank you very much for your time. Subscribe for more tutorials like these.